Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Tesla's tumult, Glass Lewis rejection, Musk's supercomputer vision, and the big question of overvaluation. The AI revolution, PCs predicted to dominate market by 2028. Tesla's triple threat, could 3 new models electrify the robotaxi event? Economic insights, Yellen's revenue boost amid rising rates and real estate stocks stumble after rate cut hopes fade. Health innovations on the horizon, who will unveil the next major weight loss drug? Stay tuned after this short ad break to delve deeper into these intriguing headlines. Glass Lewis, a proxy advisory firm, has advised Tesla's shareholders to vote against a compensation package worth $56 billion for CEO Elon Musk. This proposal was earlier nullified by a U.S. court due to its overly dilutive effect. The shareholders will cast their votes on this matter and the possible move of Tesla from Delaware to Texas during the annual meeting scheduled for June 13th.
Elon Musk's artificial intelligence venture, known as XAI, has set a goal to construct a supercomputer for its AI chatbot named Grok by the year 2025. This ambitious project will necessitate 100,000 specialized semiconductors and is projected to be 4 times the size of existing GPU clusters. There are also discussions about potential collaboration with Oracle.
AI-ready PCs from Microsoft, primarily positioned as productivity tools, are anticipated to instigate a commercial PC upgrade. These machines have an initial cost of $1,000 or more. Considering the end of life for Windows 10 is nearing in October 2025, Morgan Stanley foresees a market growth surge. The firm's projections suggest that AI PCs will constitute 2% of the total PC market in 2024 and increase to 64% by 2028. This trend is expected to favor companies such as Dell, HP, Apple, and Microsoft.
The much-anticipated robotaxi event by Tesla is scheduled for the 8th of August. It is hoped that this event will counterbalance any potential disappointments from the second quarter earnings and worries about demand in the Chinese market. Gene Munster, an analyst, forecasts that Tesla will present 3 vehicles at this event: a robotaxi ready for street use, an introduction to Model 2, and a concept of cybervan intended for ride-hailing services. The commencement of initial production could be as early as summer 2025, subject to approval of full self-driving capabilities. This event might influence other automobile stocks along with Uber and Lyft.
United States Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen highlighted the importance of measures to increase revenue in order to handle the nation's borrowing. This comes as interest rates are expected to go up, according to a recent interview with Bloomberg. She also disclosed plans for discussions about taxes related to tax reductions from the Trump era that are due to end in 2025.
Tesla, the most valuable U.S. automaker, has experienced a nearly 30% drop this year. Yet, it still holds a market cap of $572 billion. The question of its valuation is a topic of debate among analysts. Some suggest that if Tesla is considered as a tech company with substantial growth potential, it might actually be undervalued. On the other hand, there are those who view its current valuation as risky due to negative revenue growth and declining margins.
Stocks in the real estate sector have experienced a downturn following 4 consecutive weeks of growth. The Real Estate Select Sector SPDR Fund ETF has dropped by 3.64%, a result of diminished expectations for an interest rate cut. Recent minutes from the Federal Reserve indicate a more aggressive approach than initially anticipated, leading to doubts about future interest rates. In spite of reduced demand due to high mortgage rates and scarce supply, home prices persist in their upward trend. This week, industrial and office REITs have suffered substantial losses. Goldman Sachs forecasts that the Federal Reserve's initial interest rate reduction will take place in September instead of July.
Eli Lilly and Novo Nordisk, who are at the forefront of the weight loss medication industry, could potentially be challenged by a minimum of 8 corporations that have drug candidates in the middle to final stages of development. Market experts propose that even with newcomers such as Pfizer, Amgen, and Viking Therapeutics entering the scene, it is probable that Eli Lilly or Novo Nordisk will launch the upcoming significant obesity medication. This prediction is based on their vast expertise and encouraging preliminary results.
And that's a wrap on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Keep investing in your knowledge, folks. Until next time, stay informed and stay prosperous. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. See you later, until tomorrow comes around.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.